Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Before I start, I would like to invite you to visit my new website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. I remember that in past I also was in the situation that I didn't know in which direction to go in trading. I understood the market price action, but still something was not clicking. So this is how I found Nikos, and then I joined his mentorship program, and this was game changer for me. So exactly, I would like to give you the same opportunity which I had in the past. So if you still feel that something is not going right, that you don't know in which direction you have to go, this is exactly a perfect program for you. Of course, if you are also new to trading, I also recommend to start with this because this is the fastest way to achieve your success. Why? Because this program is designed to teach you, in my opinion at least, all three key aspects which are important to achieve long-term success in trading, which is technical part, planning part, and mindset. Still, those two first parts are quite easy to learn, and usually we struggle because of the mindset part. Yes, and this is what we cannot spot. We don't understand. We don't see. So my program is different because I pay more attention for the mindset, not for technical part and planning part. So I will also show you the tools how to work with your mindset, how to find limiting beliefs, emotions, how to understand your behavior patterns, and of course we focus on other things too. So if you have any questions. Or you just want to chat with me to understand more, just sign up here, and I will get back to you, and we will speak about your possibilities. Okay, so now let's go to forex. I have euro yen as a first pair. Uh, it's pointing up on the weekly chart, is climbing. We have this previous resistance, and if we look for monthly chart, just quickly to see, we see that it's very strong up move, but we still have room to go further up, okay, to this top. So there is still a chance that maybe price will continue. We see that on the monthly chart, price just bounced on the 12, so we can get continuation. Also, weekly chart is still very strong to go up. However, like I said, we are around the resistance, so it will be interesting if we get breakout continuation, or maybe price will react and will create some retracements on this chart, and then maybe after bouncing will gain momentum. If we pay attention for trend line, we'll get this. So as you can see, price haven't reached this line yet. In case of the support, our support zone is down here. But right now it's pointing up. If we go to daily chart, here the momentum also is nice, is moving up. So it's quite easy what we want to do right now. We want to wait for the retracements, we want to buy. You can do it as after retracements on the daily, and then you can look for example, 4-hour chart entries. Or right now, because price is pointing up, we can look for retracements on the lower time frames and still do day trading and scalping. So every single retracement, in this case right now, we want to see that price is retracing to the 36. Whenever we start to have breakouts, we can look for buy scenarios. And in terms of the 4-hour chart with lower time frame combination, for a 1-hour time frame is not giving us up opportunities right now. For now, we can look for aggressive trades and try to catch some retracements. Of course, our first goal is 4-hour chart 36 CMA, because we can still have move, bounce, and then price try to go up again. So if you decide to sell it here, this is your goal. In case if price breaks, because it also might happen, then of course then daily level is our goal. Okay, so this is what we have on the euro yen right now. You can wait for 1-hour chart 1 2 3 here, and then you can combine this with lower time frames. Not exactly on the 1-hour chart. Why? Because the 4-hour 36 CMA is very close. Or you can simply switch to lower time frames. No, now 15 minutes, no, market is closed, but whenever we get another setup, this will be your possible opportunity to sell. Euro dollar. is the next pair, and of course we are still in the situation that we are like 50-50. I still exactly cannot confirm if we are going up or we are going down. What we currently see is that we have this resistance, we have this support zone. We are making, of course, long 1 2 3 here, as you can see. This might be continuation, but we also had this trend line breakout, and this might be like a breakout of this line, lower high, and maybe we will continue. So it's still in making. Why this selling opportunity? Because monthly chart is still pointing to sell, as you can see. So that's why it's still strong for now to sell. But of course, this is monthly chart, so a very big time frame. So for me, chart looks like this. If we go to lower time frames, right now price retested this area of the resistance. Next area of the resistance is on the daily chart is up here, and also on, of course, on the previous top. But let's focus on the support, which is down here. So what we can do right now, we have this 2 to 3 lines. So price is still for us making possible short daily 1 to 3. So if we have continuation, there might be a chance that price will go back to this support zone. In case of the breakout of the support, we will get maybe move to this area. If we go to lower time frames, we will see that no price right now is without much momentum. You see for our chart, definitely whenever price starts to break 36 EMA and then the short scenario, then we can look for short scenarios, target this support zone. If we go to lower time frames, we see that there is no momentum also. So what we need to see, whenever price starts to break this, will start to build momentum, we can look to sell it after retracement, target previous bottom. There might be also a situation that price will try to go up again. So after retesting of this trend line with the 36 EMA, we will get possible long 1 to 3 here, but this will be, of course, for the day trader and scalpers. Yes, if price retests this and continue to go up, you can still do day trading and scalping. Why day trading, scalping? Because we are still around the 36 EMA. So for me, this 4-hour chart long scenario, to think in terms of the swing, it's not so good. So I would just try to catch some possible moves, because there is also situation that maybe price move a little bit, will create lower high, and then move and continue with this main move. Okay, so we will see. This is what we have on the euro dollar. GP Aussie weekly chart pointing up. This is where is our next resistance, our, of course, previous support. So we see that it's pointing up, but again, also here, or we will. There is no like a clean 1 to 3 here for me, because price broke 36 EMA. Yes, if I say about 1 to 3, I would like to see bounce around the 36, then continuation. But it still looks like possible a little bit bigger retracement, false breakout, continuation. So or we'll get continuation or smaller retracements then. So this is what I see right now. Of course, it might be also like a lower high, and then price will go down. But for now, no weekly chart for me, it's still pointing to buy. However, we have this small stop that price didn't go much. But what I like here, now we reached the 36 EMA, so we are on the profit zone together with the support. This is also our resistance. So it's not like a 1 to 3 here. It's like potential maybe range, but because we are here, price is retesting, we can look for long scenarios and target this area here with the previous spikes. Of course, whenever price breaks this, we will look maybe even for that. Yes, but in between, maybe something here with those spikes, but we will have to check in the past. Right now it's too early. It's enough to see this. Whenever price breaks this zone, our next support low area is down here, and this is where we can go. If you look for the 4-hour chart, we don't have much now, but if we see volatility, because we don't know the future right now, I like the area where we are, yes, but of course if price won't make any moves, then we will skip this pair. But if we see the momentum, yes, that price is going up, then we want to buy, and of course we target this. In terms of the sell, I'm not a great fan of this, but for scalping, it's still okay. Yes, because if you draw this line and price will start to break this line, you can look to sell it and target this, but only for scalping and the day trading. Okay. Here you can, even if we can draw this resistance for possible confirmation here, if you get 4-hour chart 1 to 3, if possible, you can try to get there. You see that 1-hour chart is still making for us some 1 to 3. So we have this trend line. If we connect the bottoms, it's even like that. So whenever price wait, so you can wait for breakouts, and whenever price break this, you can go long or short. GPN, it seems it broke the previous top and it's pushing up. So of course we want to find next area of the resistance, and it's on the weekly chart is up here. Okay, so we have possible of 460 pip move again on this pair. Definitely it's strongly pointing up, as you can see. Even the EMAs are pointing up, so definitely weekly right now is up. Daily chart, yes, we have this area of the resistance where price struggle a little bit, but now it seems that this move is confirmed to go long. So it's very easy situation. After retracement we want to buy. Let's try to find maybe some resistance. I don't have history, unfortunately, so we'll not find. But if you can, because between this and this is around 460 pips, if you can find daily level between of this, it will be also nice, because on the daily level maybe price will give you some reactions. Right now it's pointing up, we have this momentum. So of course the retracement on the daily, then you can look for the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart entries. Now of course this will be opportunity for the day trading. Yes, if we have this trend line, you wait for the retracement, where back to the 36 CMA, and then you look for 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-hour chart entries. Yes, if we go to 1-hour chart time frame, price is making for us currently 1-hour chart 1-3. Of course this is very, very late, as you can see, but if we get something here like on the 5-minute chart, yes, whenever price make this for you, this will be your option to go and buy this. Okay, this will be this option. And of course there is another way to trade against the main direction, but I always repeat that this is always more aggressive. You can look for this short scenarios and target for our chart level, but wait at least that price break 36, ideally EMA crossover, because it's very, very strong still. Yes, so it might don't sometimes you want to be fast in those trades, yes, because we are afraid that we miss opportunity, etc., and we are taking the trades too fast. Yes, I think it's and especially when we trade against the main trend, if we want to take the trades too fast, we can have too many losing trades. Okay, so keep in mind that sometimes even it's better to miss the trade or wait for possible retracement, some confirmations, and then look for those trades. Okay, because still everything here is strong. USDN is the last pair, and we are almost on the very strong and powerful resistance. It's going up. So of course it's obvious what we want to do here, also buy after retracement. And this will be interesting what will happen here. If we get bigger reactions, or if price breaks this, of course, then we'll get new highs. And we'll get historical highs. I think so, yeah, because it's making at least I don't have any history. So no, monthly chart is still very, very strong, as you can see. Yeah, so this will be interesting to see. No, now definitely, of course, we are interested to buy. This is our trend line. Next possible level 36. But right now those levels here are not so much important. Why? Because it's still pointing up. However, this move is a little bit noisy. It's not like it's going. We have move, then we have stops, then it price again is going up, but it's still strongly pointing up, as you can see. So I'm still interested to buy. We had this area here. Price was making this wedge. Right now, price broke it, and there was opportunity here to jump in. Yes, we had this 1, 2, 3 here after breakout. Entry here, stop loss below this. Entry around 25 pip stop loss. Now two targets would be hit, so it's a winning trade, fully winning trade. So now we can just manage our last lot where to this resistance. We try to aim this. It's still pointing up. So as long as we are holding this trend line here, this one, I would pay attention to buy. So retracements, look for buys. Whenever price starts to break this with the EMA crossover, we can look to sell it, and then I would look for retracement back to the area of support here together with the 36 EMA. If price reach this, of course, we again try to buy if this area holds. So now, if you are day trader or scalper, you can still look for now opportunities. If we go to 5-minute chart, whenever price make some setups above, you can buy this, or on the 15-minute chart when you get the setup, you can also buy this. If you don't like now, you have to wait for another higher high, higher low, and then of course whenever price make confirmation after retracement, you look and buy this. There is still option that price will make this, retracement here, will spike, and if this area holds and price will go up again, you try to take this. If you are day trader, scalper, now keep in mind about this previous top, which is your goal first, because we can still, before price maybe continue, yes, maybe we'll stay in this wedge here, yes, maybe we'll get, and then we'll get breakout continuation here, of course, selling against the main direction. And the last is gold. So gold is now we have this previous top as a resistance. This is our support on the weekly. On the weekly, it looks like a long 1, 2, 3, as you can see. So now there is small reaction. If price, of course, decide to go up, then this would be my target. If we see daily chart, we are still around, this line here, around those spikes. Even if we draw it in this way from the top, we will get this. However, it's making possible short opportunities for day trading, but this trend line should be broken, then sells target this. In case if price breaks this, and of course we want to aim that, but in between we also have this smaller area of the resistance somewhere around this zone. So this should be your first target. You see that we have right now this reaction. You have this line. So of course, ideally you can wait for breakouts. But if you are a day trader scalper, you can also trade in this zone. So if you go to 1 hour time frame, now of course ideally it will be better to get the retracement, and after retracement you buy, target this. If price so this is option number one, more aggressive, because this is strong line and we can try to sell it. So we can look for lower time frames, and whenever price made some movement after retracement, you can sell it as a bounce on the line. But your target is for a 1 hour chart 36 CMA, and then of course if price won't stop here but will go down, this is the next level where we might to get reaction. So you can also focus here on buys, and then this will be your target if of course price likes to stay here. Okay, so keep in mind about that. We can also have this situation: the price will retrace, will go up again, will retest, won't break this, then you can again try to sell and target this. Yeah, if you for example can draw trend line, etc. So guys, that's all from my side about forecast. Again, I would like to invite you to my one-on-one mentorship program. This is also how I started in the past. This was game changer for me because I simply have person who could guide me, tell me what I was doing wrong, in which direction I should go, what things I should have changed. So that's why I made this program. On this website, of course, you will find all explanation about my offer. You will also have a free ebook to download the strategy, and some videos where I simply explain more. In which direction we will go together. Of course, this is fully customized to your needs, so no worries about that. Of course, I during our first call, I will try to understand your goals and in which direction you want to go. However, during mentorship, of course, if I want to follow three major aspects which are very important in trading: technical part, planning part, and mindset. But still, this is the most important. So where this is where we put a lot of focus. We will not be working on each session with the mindset, but we will start from that, so you can work with your own, and we'll be checking your progress during the whole mentorship sessions, when we look, of course, for other things. Of course, if you are not interested in my strategy, but you have your own strategy and you just try to see what is happening, that you cannot achieve your goals there, of course, this is also for you. Then we will not focus on our part, but we will check and improve your things, and of course we'll work more about the mindset. So keep in mind that it's also fully customized, but I just wanted to give you opportunity that you can find someone who already passed all those three steps. I'm full-time trader, so I know how the process should look like, because I really have to follow all those steps. So I just want to give you the opportunity to help you and show you the tools and show you the way. And I'm sure that if you follow those steps, you will achieve whatever you want in trading, not also in trading, but also in the life. So if you are interested, just send me the message, and of course we'll schedule a short call when we just speak and see if we can work together. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you great Saturday, and hear you soon. Bye.